Hi, my name is Jason White, author of Credit Builder Secrets. And in this book, I teach how to improve your credit score up to 200 points. If you are watching this video, that means that you are someone who is looking to improve their credit in the new year. I want to do something very special to help you take your credit to the next level. I'm going to give you a copy of this book for free. All you have to do is click the link associated to this video, put in your information, and within minutes, you will have a copy of my new book, and you'll be able to use the information in this book and improve your credit score up to 200 points. If you are someone who has goals of buying a house, buying a car, refinancing bad debt, or just being prepared for whatever life may bring your way, and your credit is a roadblock, get your hands on my book, Credit Builder Secrets, so that you can begin to improve your credit score up to 200 points. This is absolutely free. So get this book and begin to implement the secrets shared in this book so that you can improve your credit score up to 200 points. Click the link right now.